and welcome to our YuJa EqualGround Accessibility Governance Platform tutorials. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the YuJa EqualGround plugin for Cascade to run accessibility, usability, and SEO scanners directly on Cascade sites and libraries. To begin, log in to YuJa EqualGround. In the sidebar, navigate to Configuration, then select Integration Settings. From the Select Integration drop-down menu, click CMS Integrations. Open the Cascade plugin tab. Next, retrieve your API key from Cascade, then navigate back to EqualGround. Click Add Key, then enter your Cascade API key. Once you've entered the API key, click Download Cascade plugin. Next, navigate back to Cascade and paste the script into the global header of your site. You can now access YuJa EqualGround inside your Cascade site. Thanks for watching. For more of YuJa's tutorials, please visit support.yuja.com.